Rolling along CNC Group Break number 1168. We're on to the 10-11 decades and 07-08 sweep shots. All right, C56 for the Buffalo Sabres, Pat LaFontaine. Decades rookie for the Quebec Nordiques, a.k.a. the Colorado Avalanche, Peter Stastny. Canada's best for the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur. Between the Pipes game used jersey black for the Chicago Blackhawks, Tony Esposito. Game used jersey black for the New York Islanders, Billy Smith. Billy Smith. We've got a franchise's quad jersey silver for the Edmonton Oilers, Grant Fuhr, Mark Messier, Paul Coffey, Yari Curry. Numbered 50 or 40, I believe. The Oilers. Autographs for the Montreal Canadiens, Rick Wamsley. For the Minnesota North Stars, a.k.a. the Dallas Stars, Dino Ciccarelli. And for the old Winnipeg Jets, a.k.a. the Phoenix Coyotes, Pokey Reddick. All right, now on to the sweet shot. All right, base card for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Martin St. Louis. For the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Woohoo! Puck signings for the New York Rangers, Scott Gomez. Sweet Stitches, triple jersey number /299 for the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. That's better. Triple jersey rookie number /599 for the Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Rookie. That's much better. All right, coming up next, certified and anthology.